Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to BakeCookTravel. In today's episode, we are off on another summer adventure. Our last video out of the kitchen was exploring Ontario's beach towns. In today's video at Sauble Beach, it's another great beach to add to the list. I had an amazing time and I will show you everything I did and what I recommend. This beach is my favorite in Ontario. It has an amazing vibe with great food and drinks. And very cool stores for shopping. An 11-kilometer beach full of sand and some of the best sunsets in the world. So, vamos! Let's go to the beach! So, for our food adventure getaway, we decided to do something different and go vanning. Our family is renovating this van into a camper, so it's not finished, but we were excited to get it on the road. It's a 1978 Dodge Street van. We were also with another van on the trip that you'll be able to see through the video. This van was the van I used for my Cooking in a 70s van video last summer, which you have to check out. Toronto to Sauble Beach takes about 3 hours, so we were up early Saturday morning to get a good spot on the beach. It's a beautiful drive. The roads in Canada are always amazing to be on. So we're here. The beach vibe in this place is so nice. I love it. We had a bit of overcast in the morning, but as it warmed up, the sun was really amazing. We arrived at about 10:30 and it was starting to get busier. Luckily we found some parking further down the beach to park for the day. It was $30 for the day. The beach is very sandy, which is difficult to find anywhere in Canada. It's clean, clear, and has lots of sandbanks for swimming. To get to a deep point in the water, you really need to swim far. It's a very long, beautiful beach to spend the day. Depending on where you are on the beach, you can be very close to the food spots. There are many along the main road at the beginning of the beach. All sorts, from pizza, fries, hot dogs, burgers, and meals. You can grab some good food to have on the beach, or also enjoy the food at some nice patios by the beach. I had this delicious flame-fired pizza from Fire Dough. They make everything in front of you and in the flame oven. I got the Alfredo chicken, which is very different. Came with Alfredo sauce. And the honey goat cheese, which was so tasty. I liked both, but the honey and goat cheese stood out. Fresh pizza by the beach and some company. Yeah, this beach has birds all the time. They make the scenario more special. And if you want to grab some fresh lemonade to get refreshed, give the Soda Factory a try. They make fresh homemade lemonade and soda. I had it twice. They were so good. One thing that you really don't want to miss in Sauble Beach is the sunset. For me, it's one of the best I've ever seen. You can see the sun so close and clear. It's really breathtaking. Everyone comes to the beach at night to watch the sunset with friends and family. After the sunset, you can enjoy some nice stores like this very cool candy one where you can find all kinds of candies and treats. And for sure, some ice cream. Summer, beach and ice cream, there is nothing better. The Dairy Queen Sauble Beach is a must-go location. You will always see a lineup. Good thing they open till 10 p.m. I just had my all-time favorite, a chocolate fudge sundae. So for breakfast, I got to try a couple different places and they were all great. The best one in my opinion and must try is the Luscious Bakery. They have a very good variety of fresh baked goods and they were all amazing. Of course, I needed to try a couple of different ones. I was really in love with this whole wheat croissant. I've never tried a whole wheat croissant before, and this one was really delicious. Another great one was the blueberry and cheese Danish. They were all well done, fresh and tasty. I also stopped into Amity's. This place was always busy with people trying to get some of their coffee. Another good breakfast place with some amazing options for coffee and baked goods. They also have some homemade gelato. I got a latte, which was very creamy and perfect. A butter croissant, really nice and well done. A cinnamon bun, a more cake texture. This delicious spinach and goat cheesy Danish, which was really tasty. I also tried this place called Two Chicks Cafe. They have breakfast sandwiches, smoothies, wraps, burrito, some desserts, meals and much more. I had a fresh breakfast bagel with egg, tomato and Canadian bacon. Sauble is also very nice to do some beach-style shopping. The stores are incredible, everything is so beautiful. I will show you my favorites, where I got some cool stuff. The Patch. In this store you will find almost everything, from very cool t-shirts, bikinis, lingerie, jeans and all kinds of sunglasses. Of course I did some shopping in here, couldn't resist. There is also this incredible jewelry section. Just across the street from the Patch you will see the ship store. Yeah, a store made in an old ship. Look at how cool this is. You can also play some games just in the entrance. Next to the ship store, you can also get some tacos in this amazing food truck. Busy all the time. If you want to get some cottage, lake or beach style house decor, you can't miss the Shore thing. and Jack and Jill's Surfer Shop. This is a 3-star company which offers clothing to house decor and all surfing apparel and equipment. I really loved all these stores. I got this very cute light sign from my balcony, a magnet, and this beautiful sweater with Sauble Beach on it. Honestly, I loved all the stores here. You just need to take some time to explore a little bit of everything. Now it's time for you to drop a like if you're enjoying this video, and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here for more amazing delicious recipes. So another beach day after some shopping. Let's go! For a great patio on the beach where you can also enjoy another sunset, I tried this place, 1858 Caesar Bar. They have all sorts of different flavors of Caesars with amazing toppings, and you can even have them to go in these great bags. So we enjoyed another sunset with some Caesars and delicious food. We tried the Peachy King Caesar, the Filling Deal, and OG Classic. They were all very tasty and very suitable to have by the beach. For eating, I had this delicious club sub sandwich. Simple but very fresh and light. The turkey tasted like it was just roasted in the oven. Lots of sauce and fresh salad. The burger was also very tasty. If you want to have something more high-end but it's still fun and casual dinner, try the restaurant at the June Motel. Freshly renovated and an Instagrammer's dream. They have dishes such as lobster mac and cheese, fine cut steaks, and seafood platters with some oysters and lobster, and very fancy drinks. Or for a more casual and family meal, the Sauble Dunes is a very good way to go. Their menu is great comfort food with a lot of options. It has a great vibe and a nice patio. For some desserts, the fudge store is another must-try. They make all kinds of fudges, peanut butter cups, candy-covered apples, Oreo cookies, and much more. They also have these amazing caramelized nuts, which are very popular. I got the Rocky Road fudge and a peanut butter cup to try, as they were highly recommended. Everything was very good. I'm not a fudge lover, so I really loved a lot the peanut butter cup. It was really tasty. The peanut butter filling is so creamy and the milk chocolate cup just perfect. Sauble Beach is a very cute little town. Just walking and looking around is so nice. You can also find some mini golf to play. This really fun sports place for kids at Ascent Ariel Park. Close to the city, there is also an amazing waterfall to visit. It's about 6 minutes from the main area. You can go hiking, enjoy the water, or go for some paddleboard or kayaking. At Sauble Beach there are lots of very cute and affordable little cottages. They come with everything included, even a barbecue if you want to enjoy some cooking. There are also a couple of hotels, motels and little houses that you can rent. It really depends what you're looking for. The little cottage motels are really a good way to go. Some are more upgraded, so just find the one that fits you. I think I will stay and watch the sunset again. So everybody, I hope you liked my favorite beach in Ontario. I really recommend it. Go for a drive, eat something new, and find yourself on one of the best sunset beaches in the world. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On BakeCookTravel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here, and for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.